I'm super duper excited. Today, it's Saturday. I'm installing flooring. I'm actually waiting for my brother-in-law to help me install the flooring because he's an actual professional and I'm not. So. I'm finishing up my showers. So we did all the flooring in one day. That was super exciting. I'm really happy with that. And then I decided to really just get into the groove of things and start working. I got the tub in, did that, installed all the hardy board. My focus this week is actually in ordering the kitchen cabinets, and then starting on the flooring. Like you saw, I'm having a friend come out and help me with the shower pan. I installed all this hardy board, and I think it looks cool. It's really exciting to see progress, to have things move along. So. So what a journey, what a day. I just want to say huge thank you to my brother-in-law for coming out and helping me do that. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. We knocked it all out for the most part in one day. I just have to do the laundry room and the kind of hangout family room. We jumped to the bathrooms. Now all we have to do is just tile. It shouldn't be that hard, right? Thanks for watching this week's episode. Until next time, be being it.